Today we're not testing the Harris CBHQ, we are in fact testing the Jesan KT750 emergency kit used as a walkie-talkie. If you remember a few videos back, we did the customer's repair on his KT750, aligned it, then we did an on-the-air test and it worked okay. It's got a bit of a simplistic receiver, so it's not that clear at great range. And then we got Mr Chippie to take it out with its emergency antenna that it comes with, and it comes with a rubber duck. And we only got, well, we were struggling, really were struggling at Scratchy Corner. It was every other word on it, and we certainly couldn't get him any further like at Wilsford Level Crossing. So what we've done, our own set, because that's gone back to the customer, our own set we have aligned and just the same, and Mr Chippie's going to use it as a hand portable. So we've put the battery pack, the rubber duck aerial on it. It's a different radio, but it's the same radio if you understand that. So he's at the end of this, and let's see, he'll be on the car set right now. Tango 21, how are you doing, over? Roger on that. We normally do these in the workshop, but we're going to test the Barracuda GT868 and it's set up to do that. The space station is just as calibrated as our Rotel 230 is, and it will make no difference whatsoever as to whether we use that or whether we use the Rotel 230.
21, Mr Chippie, position top of the hill.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. Tango 21, calling Mr Chippie on the Jesan KT750. Are you receiving, over?
Yep, Roger, receiving you loud and clear.
Okay, got you loud and clear, so if you'd like to go down to Scratchy Corner.
Yep, Roger, that will do.
Tango 21, calling Mr Chippie on the Jesan KT750. Are you receiving, over?
Yep, Roger, receiving you loud and clear.
Okay, got you loud and clear, so if you'd like to go down to Scratchy Corner.
Yep, Roger, that will do.
So that's 2 miles away, 2¼ miles, something like that. And he is at the top of the hill. But I say top of the hill, you have to bear in mind that we're in Lincolnshire, the hills aren't that high anyway, and there's an awful lot of trees and a village in between. I think the one we're using is doing, they're supposed to be 4-watt radios, but you take that with a pinch of salt. I think it was 2.9, 2.7, something like that.
Tango 21, Mr Chippie, in position at Scratchy.
Roger, he got you from the car at Scratchy Corner. So we'll just give him 20 seconds to get out of the car and walk down the road a bit. Now, you know, the car, when we did this with the customer's one, and the customer set works slightly better on receive and very slightly better on transmit, but in field it won't make any difference. So let's see whether he's out there, but it's just possible that we can get him, and we'll give it a go. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie on the Jesan KT750. Are you receiving, over? Tango 21, I've turned the squelch down. Are you receiving, over?
Yep, Roger, receiving you loud and clear.
Roger, we've got you at signal strength 1 and I can have a proper conversation with you, over.
Roger that, so I'll go to the level crossing now, yeah?
Absolutely, it's incredible that you see, the thing is that the difference between the magmount on the car is you can't pick your spot, whereas with the hand portable you can pick your spot. Right, brilliant.
Yep, Roger that, move on.
Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie on the Jesan KT750. Are you receiving over?
Yep, Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear.
Tango 21, I've turned the squelch down. Are you receiving over?
Yep, Roger, receiving you loud and clear.
Roger, we've got you at signal strength 1 and I can have a proper conversation with you over.
Roger that, so I'll go on to the level crossing now, yeah?
Absolutely, it's incredible that you see the thing is, the difference between the magmount on the car is you can't pick your spot, whereas with the hand portable you can pick your spot. Right, brilliant.
Yep, Roger that, I'll move on.
Well, I go to the foot of our stairs, as they say, except I live in a bungalow.
Right, let's position now.
Roger on that. So we've got the squelch right on the threshold. We'll have a look, keep a look at that meter. I'll give him a few seconds. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie on the Jesan KT750 emergency kit. Are you receiving over? Roger, I've just about got you there. Just say something else to me over. Tango 21, Mr Chippie, I'm getting 1 in 3 words, so we'll call it a day at that. So if you'd like to return to base, that's a better result than expected over.
Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie on the Jesan KT750 emergency kit. Are you receiving over?
Tango 21, yep, receiving you loud and clear.
Roger, I've just about got you there. Just say something else to me over.
Yep, Tango from 20, try again. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving me over?
Tango 21, Mr Chippie, I'm getting 1 in 3 words, so we'll call it a day at that. If you'd like to return to base, that's a better result than expected.
Yep, Roger that, no problem.
Okay, so I can't quite tell what he's saying. So, yeah, incredibly, it works better than with the mag mount. How strange is that? Right, well, 3 miles then, isn't it? Yeah, 3 miles. Top of the hills, 1 1/4. Scratchy corners, 2 1/2. Yeah, there we are. So thank you for watching the Jesan KT750 field test, using it as a hand portable rather than as an emergency set with a mag mount.